3, 2, 1.
Which structure in a cell contains DNA and proteins? The answer is D, nucleus. Who was the first person to travel around the world? The answer is A, Magellan. What is the name of the character voiced by Michelle Pfeiffer in the 1998 Academy Award-winning animated movie The Prince of Egypt? The answer is D, Zipporah. What is the Hindu god associated with elephants and wisdom? The answer is D, Ganesha. What is the occupation of Mary, played by Cameron Diaz, in the 1998 comedy movie There's Something About Mary? The answer is B, surgeon. Which fashion item became popular in the 1920s due to Coco Chanel? The answer is D, flapper dresses. What is the name of the communications specialist of Megatron in Transformers 2? The answer is B, Soundwave. How much did David O. Selznick pay for the rights to the book Gone with the Wind? The answer is B, $50,000. 4 different students take turns pushing a large, heavy ball on the school parking lot. What is the best way to determine which student used the most force to push the ball? The answer is C, compare the distances that the ball rolled. What is the property of matter that causes it to expand when heated? The answer is D, volume. Which of these is not a group in the periodic table? The answer is D, transition metals. What is the chemical formula for sodium hypochlorite? The answer is A, NaOSi. What part of the body receives information from the senses? The answer is B, brain. In the movie The Hoodies, what is the American of the The answer is A, closes the door over his half. The show Here Come the Brides aired from September 1968 until April of what year? The answer is B, 1970. What grows in the cold, hurts when it falls, and breaks windows? The answer is C, hailstone. Upon her accession to the throne, Elizabeth Roman II became head of the Commonwealth and queen regnant of 7 independent Commonwealth countries. Which of these countries does not recognize her as queen? The answer is C, India. A company which causes long-lasting products will likely. The answer is A, sell less. How many major chakras are there? The answer is D, 7. What color would a solution of barium chloride appear in water? The answer is A, red. What character did Sean Connery voice in the 1993 animated movie The Thief and the Cobbler? The answer is B, Tak the Cobbler. Name the 1962 film about the planet Uranus. The answer is B, Journey to the Seventh Planet. Which water from the equator mixes with cold water from the poles? The answer is A, warm. What is a kitchen sponge primarily used for? The answer is B, cleaning dishes. Where is the Northwestern University situated? The answer is D, Evanston, Illinois, USA. Which force causes an object to continue moving with constant velocity if no external force acts on it? The answer is C, inertia. With the exception of water, what accounts for more mass than any other component of living organisms? The answer is A, proteins. How does the sun power the water cycle? The answer is A, energy from the sun evaporates water. Which item is for cutting paper?
The answer is D, scissors.
Which reporter for 60 Minutes was born in 1931 in Toronto? The answer is D, Morley Safer. What structure does methane have? The answer is C, three-dimensional tetrahedra. During digestion, fructose is produced by the breakdown of larger molecules. Which type of molecule could be broken down to increase the body's fructose levels? The answer is D, carbohydrates. Which of these buildings has a sloped roof and spiral ramp on the outside? The answer is A, Guggenheim Museum Bilbao. What is the scientific name for a group of cells? The answer is B, tissue. What is the title of Anthony Quinn's first autobiographical book, published in 1972? The answer is B, The Original Sin. What is the primary function of a diode in electronics? The answer is A, amplification. As the flower size increases, what will it attract more of? The answer is A, monarchs. Who was the first president to serve under the 25th Amendment? The answer is C, Gerald Ford. What stringed instrument has a rounded back and belly? The answer is A. Cello. In what Disney movie do Anastasia and Drizella appear? The answer is B. Cinderella. Which component stores energy in an electric field? The answer is B. Capacitor. What is a commonly used school supply for writing on chalkboards? The answer is B. Chalk. What unit of time is equivalent to 1,000th of a second? The answer is D. Kilosecond. What is the name of the AI in Her? The answer is C. Samantha. Which of the following is not a basic operation in mathematics? The answer is D. Dividing by zero. In economics, what is the term for the use of government funds to influence the economy? The answer is A. Fiscal policy. Who discovered Fibonacci sequence? The answer is D. Leonardo of Pisa. What is the main character in 1984? The answer is A. Winston Smith. What is the only fruit that is not a botanical berry but often considered one in everyday language? The answer is A. Avocado. In what 1939 movie do we hear this?